Hello class, we are going to learn how to divide by 10, 100, and 1,000. First, if the number that we want to divide is an integer, we put a decimal point at the end of the number, and we move that decimal point 1, 2, or 3 places to the left to get our answer. And here are some examples. Okay, I will use here the fraction bar for division, since that what is mainly used in algebra. I want to get used to it, you to use to it now. What is it? Okay, so 34 divided by 10. So what we are going to do is move the decimal place 1 to the left. So that will give us 3.4. $4,378 divided by 10. We are going to move the decimal point 1 to the left, and that will give us 437.8. Negative 5,679 divided by 10. We are going to move the decimal point 1 place to the left, and that will give us negative 567.9. So that's how you divide by 10. Now, let's divide by 100. So 34 divided by 100. We are now going to move the decimal point 2 to the left. So 1 and 2 to the left. So that will give us 0.34. 4,378 divided by 100. We are going to move the decimal point 1, 2 places to the left. So that will give us 43.78. Negative 5,679 divided by 100. We'll need to move the decimal point 1, 2 places to the left. So that will give us negative 56.79. We are now going to be dividing by 1,000. So 34 divided by 1,000. Now we are going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So that would be 1, 2, 3. Note, we don't have any more digits, so we'll add a 0 right here. Okay, so that would be 0.034. $4,378 divided by 1,000. We are going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So that give us 4.378. Negative 5,679 divided by 1,000. We are going to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So that will give us negative 5.679. So if the number that we are dividing, okay, is a decimal number, okay, then you just need to move that decimal point of that number 1, 2, or 3 places to the left. So here we go again. If we are dividing 2.34 by 10, then we are going to move the decimal point, which is right here, 1 place to the left. So that will give us 0.234. If we are dividing 579.70 by 10, we are moving the decimal point 1 to the left. So that will give us 57.970. We are dividing 45.6 by 10, and that will give us, move the decimal point 1 to the left. So that will give us 4.56. Now let's divide by 100. We are going to move the decimal point 2 to the left. So 2.34 divided by 100. Move the decimal point located right here. 1, 2 places to the left. Remember, anytime that you are out of digit, you have to replace the rest by zeros. So that would equal to 0.234. 579.70 divided by 100. We are going to move the decimal point 1, 2 places to the left. So that will give us 5.7970. 45.6 divided by 100. Again, we move the decimal point 1 and 2 places to the left. So that will give us 0.456. Now, we are going to divide by 1,000. So 2.34 divided by 1,000. Move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left, replacing by 0 when you are out of digit. So that would be 0.00234. and 34. 579.70 divided by 1,000. That will give us, I move the decimal point, 1, 2, 3 to the left. So you have 0.57,970. Let's divide now 45.6 by 1,000. Okay, we are moving the decimal point 1, 2, 3 to the left. So that will give us 0.0456. So this is how you divide by 10, 100, or 1,000.